Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua endekithia ugai wake gina kuringana na uingi wa andu akoretwo akiubanirwo ni ambunge ona atongoria angi thirikari-ini o mundu agitaura uge wake kuringana na muonere wake wa kiuteti.
Allow me to end up, Honorable Speaker.
No cikaro-ini cia bunge gatatu ga kiumia giki ngurani cia kiuteti na kiria gikoretwo gigithegea kiama-ini kia UDA ni ciumiririe ambunge na makiria aingi ao aria maumite kiama-ini kia UDA makioneka kunyitanira na aruna ao kuma mwena wa mungithaniro kubanira munini wa President.
We want to speak from the floor of this house and inform the country that respect is two-way. You cannot disrespect us in other constituencies and expect us to maintain the respect that we have accorded you for the last 2 years.
And we should also be seeing, the people raising questions on Chapter 6 of the conduct of even some members, senior members of the executive, on how they carry themselves in public.
Respect is earned. Honorable Speaker, there are members of parliament here who have suffered. Members of parliament from Nyeri will tell you how much they have suffered.
To support the president witu, de munini wake. No andu aria mamuthiurukiirie gutire ni ungi njatha. Ni njathagwo ni andu a Kenya na President William Ruto. Na mundu reciria nwa Rigathi wa Gachagua ri ni kwehenia arehenia.
Watho wa bunge ria ndereti yoyothe gutemanio wendekithitie mutaratara ukarumirwo speaker hitukitie no mugaru ni ati ciuria cia ndege ya munini wa President eko ciaheire mweke Jino ona kumunyururia kwa ihinda ria mathaa meri. Speaker Moses Wetangura atekurugamia ndereti ino ona kana mutongoria wa RINGI Kimani Ichung'wa atekugitira wabici ya munini wa President kumana na kinyururi kiu.
Muambia kina Kimani Ichung'wa chuma chao ki motoni. Waambie chuma chao ki wapi? Na hii parliamentary group meeting tunaenda Tuesday. Agenda ya kwanza ni kumung'oa Kimani Ichung'wa atoke kwa kiti ya majority kwa sababu amekosea heshima naibu wa rais.
Shurigi ciyumiriti yani haria president arugamiiriria munini wake gutungio ciugo ndito indi GIKARO-ini na bunge ethi kiumia-ini giki nionanirie kumoria mathuranire ciugo ciao riria me muingi-ini. Keri ga kiumia giki ambunge ya Kenya Kwanza ni magacemania gucirira watho wa kigina indi Athiriti ya Gachagua marauga gaka ni kanya kiga ga kurimira gitio kuri munini wa President ona kwendekithia Kimani Ichung'wa agurwo uria ukuruhanitio na gutongoria kambi ya gukirira munini wa President.
Hawa vijana tunawaambia mchana na tunawaambia mchana kama njiwa limeangaa juu waangalie mienendo zao, otherwise hawa ni watu tukielekea uchaguzi mwingine watafagiriwa na nyinyi villagers wakwenda nyumbani.
Wewe na rais mulimpea kiti ya majority leader, sasa ameshiba, anaanza kututapikia, anaanza kukosea heshima. Kwani huyu mtu anatakaje?
I remember I have had to sit down with Kimani Ichung'wa. And I like Kimani Ichung'wa because he listens. And I've had to tell him, this is how to say it. Don't say it this way. It means the same thing, but it has different connotation if you say it this way.
Girifotera Kameme TV retore kon Mwaura Wadongo.